Hello friends. So today I'm going to share you my experience about doing Isha Kriya. It has been 2 months since I'm practicing it and the experience is really wonderful. You all must try for it. So what all changes it has done in me? Let us start. Firstly, it has given me the right way of thinking. Not only it has shaped my thoughts into the best versions of theirs, but also enabled me to follow them as well. Now we all know what is good for us and what is not. But unknowingly or knowingly, we tend to do those things which are wrong for us. And then we can find that we can't come out of that thing. For example, I was addicted to a phone and I have wasted hours and hours on Instagram, on YouTube, and I knew that it is not going to help me. It is just simply a wastage of time. But then I couldn't help myself. I couldn't come out of that situation. I wanted to keep phone away, but I used to end up taking it. So I was completely addicted to it. But after doing Isha Kriya, I think that I've got better hold of myself. I take phone when I need. I keep it away when I don't. So I've started to do things by my choice and not by compulsion of any addiction. So if you have any kinds of addictions, please go for it, and it is definitely going to help you to come out of it, to get rid of that addiction. Second thing, it has helped me in dealing with my anger problem. I am a girl who gets angry very soon. But now, in the past 2 months, I have seen that very rarely have I got anger, and most of the time I'm calm. So, a big credit goes to Isha Kriya. And if you ask, even if you are suffering with the same problem of anger management, then please try it out. Third thing which I've observed is that now I have become more focused in my studies. Like earlier, I used to have so many distractions while studying, and now when I'm studying, I'm just studying it. So I'm not thinking of anything else. So it has made me more focused and ambitious as well. Earlier, when I used to decide of completing one chapter, I couldn't do that. But now, not do I complete that particular chapter, but start with another. So that sense of positivity, of ambitiousness, it has given to me, and also it has made me focused. The other thing it has done to me is that it has taught me to live in the present moment and enjoy it fully. Most of us, we either live in the future or in the past. Hardly do we enjoy the present situation. But after doing Isha Kriya, I think that I am able to enjoy the moment that is happening right now, and I am able to conceive it with positivity. So that thing it has given to me. The fifth thing which it has taught me is to accept and adjust the surrounding with satisfaction. Earlier, I used to have lots of problems in adjusting the situation. I couldn't adapt the situations, the surroundings easily. But now I think that I'm going easy with it, and it has enhanced my social life as well. Earlier, I used to have lots of arguments with people. I used to disagree with them, and I found it difficulty in adjusting with people. But now I think that I do it with ease, and it has definitely enhanced my social interactions. So, and the plus point of Isha Kriya is that, which differentiates it with other meditations, is when you are doing it, Sadhguru is guiding you. So, like, there are three stages, right? So, because of that, it doesn't make, like, you don't divert, you don't get distracted easily. And Sadhguru is telling you every single time what to do, what not. So, because you are hearing it with your phones, and you there is a guided music to it, there's a guided sound to it, that's why you are able to do it with focus. So the problem which most of us face while doing meditation is that we think of other things, and instead of focusing on one point, we end up thinking all the thoughts. But while doing Isha Kriya, I think that the amount of thinking of other things is lessened, because you're listening to what Sadhguru is saying. So that is the plus point of Isha Kriya. And if you're thinking of doing it, please don't think, just do it. All it takes is 10 to 12 minutes of yours. and the content is freely available. You don't have to do any paid subscription. Just go to YouTube and get started with it. And thank you for listening me out.